This is how to make knockout designs using the Inkscape software. Start with a blank artboard, and you can see I have already imported a silhouette type design. This one is a panther. For this type of knockout designs, you will want to use just a simple silhouette or a simple type of designs. You don't want a lot of detail for this. You want simple shapes. Let's start by clicking the type tool and typing out our text. I'm typing the word Panthers. Then I will enlarge this a little bit. And let's change this font. I like to use a chunkier font for this type of design just because you can get more of your details in the knockout in a thicker font. So now let's duplicate this panther because I will be using him again in just a few minutes. Let's change his color and then just line it up on your text here. I'm going to make this text just a little bit taller. And then I'm just stretching out the panther, making sure to keep him inside the lines of the text. You don't want any of his pieces hanging above or below the text because that's going to get chopped off and then that's going to just look kind of strange. So just arrange this however you would like it. I like to try to keep his face inside of a letter and his tail inside of a letter. So now let's duplicate the text and the panther. And then we will select the first text and panther and go to Path and select Difference. And that knocks the panther out of the text. Now you can see it looks a little weird and you can't really tell what this is just yet, but when you add the panther back in, you will be able to. So let's select the second text and panther and let's knock the text part out of the panther. Go to Path and select Intersection. And now you can see the text is in the shape of the panther. Let's change this color so we can see it a little bit better. And just line it up inside the word Panthers. And that's just a fun way to make text look a little bit more interesting. So now let's do the knockout method kind of in reverse. Let's knock the word Panthers out of this panther shape. Let's make him a little bit bigger. And then grab your text tool and type the word Panthers. And let's make that a little bit bigger. Now select your text and you can change your font. Pick whatever font you would like. I like to use a scripty font for this. So now adjust your size and then just line it up inside the panther. Like that. And now select the panther shape and the word Panthers and go back to Path and select Exclusion. And that knocks the word out of the shape. You can do this for any shape and any word. Just use your imagination and you can come up with all kinds of cute little knockout designs. And that is how we use the knockout method in the Inkscape software.